All right, guys, we've got one pack war left, and I believe all four of us are down to our last pack. We haven't hit a single thing. We've lost every pack war we've been in. So, closest to 100. That one's kind of cool. I like that idea. Let's do it. Closest to 100 wins. All right, 700. Here you go. Let's see what 700 level gets. He starts off with a Ray. You know it's good when you start off with a Ray. Alex Cobb, currently on the DL, but still a Ray. Cameron Maybin, Tim Hudson, and Shin Soo Chu. Your number is 103. It's a good one. 207 on the Cobb. 95 on the... Wow. Wow. Closest to a 100, and he has 95, which is 5 away. Then he has 103, which is 3 away. And then he has 101. You're going to need card 100 to beat him and 99 to tie him. All right, Mike. Card 100, buddy. Let's see what he's got going on here. He has Pedro Bito, Sean Rodriguez, Shane Victorino, and Hunter Pence. So let's see if he's got 99 or 100 in here. 96. Normally that'd be a really good card. 94. Not as good as 96. 199 and 78. Mike, you got shut out, buddy. That's not right. All right, Dizzy. This was Dizzy's idea. All right, you have Mike Nikias, Michael Young, David DeJesus, and Neil Walker for Heritage. And 77, 189, and 69. All right, John, it's down to you and me, pal. Oh, and I hit the first Hosmer. Eric Hosmer. Not going to win it for me. Franklin Gutierrez. Not going to win it for me. Kevin Youkilis. Not going to win it for me. And Chad Billingsley to 225. Not going to win it for me. So, John, you won it with card 101, pal. I got 90, 82, and Hosmer is 170. All right, sir. I'll actually pull that out now so I don't forget. Oh, I lost it. It was such a cool card, I don't know where it is. There it is. Now I gotta find your pack. Here it is. You know, if I had won, his shipping would have been free. Alright, let me get rid of these loser packs. Alright, Green, are you up for your... Greed, how many packs did you wager? You wagered 3, right? I've got 4 packs left, which would be right? Because you had 6, yeah. Okay, so you've got 1 pack left. All right, I was just making sure the greed and the green were correct. All right. Green, I'm doing yours, pal. Ryan Ludwig. Wah wah. Johan Santana. Hanley Ramirez. And Mike Stanton, whatever the hell those are called. Vintage Chrome. Let's see what else we got for you. John Buck, Justin Morneau, Clayton Kershaw. Oh, wow! Awesome. That's gold. Ivan DeJesus Jr., 38 of 50. It's inscribed. I guess that's, I don't know, Psalm 12 maybe? That's awesome. I didn't even see it coming. Usually I get a hint, I see the border or something. Nice card, Green. Albert Pujols. That's the first Albert we've seen. Lance Berkman. O-Dog. And Ubaldo Jimenez. Last pack. Let's see here. Dustin Pedroia. Brandon Beachy, that's a cool rookie card. Neil Walker. And James Loney Refractor. So that's a cool hit there, buddy. Definitely a cool hit.